how to make money outside of network marketing. And I want to talk to you about the 3 different ways that I make income streams outside of my network marketing business, and how you can too, especially if you're ready to stay home, if you're ready to fire your boss and have this be a full-time job for you. And so what I want to talk about with you is my journey along the network marketing so that it can help you generate different income streams, because I think it's really important to not put all of your eggs in one basket, so to speak, with your network marketing, and to have multiple income streams when you're building an online business. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves and bring their business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, the first way that I bring in an additional income stream, and a lot of network marketers do it as well, is they use affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is very similar to network marketing in that there's a product that you're selling, but there's no team building aspect of it. And so if you can find an affiliate marketing company that is very much aligned with your network marketing company, it can be an additional source of income for you. And I've got a video that I talk about. I'm going to link it over here so that you can see the video on how affiliate marketing and network marketing, kind of the differences between the two when you know you're ready to jump into affiliate marketing with your network marketing business. But what I found is when I was able to build my network marketing business successful and tie in an affiliate offer for people that maybe, don't want to do the network marketing thing, or maybe they haven't had success in network marketing or they don't want to build a team, they just want to sell products, affiliate marketing is a great way to solve that problem. And if you want to check out the affiliate offer that I am aligned with that goes really, really well with network marketers because it teaches online social media strategies, make sure you click in the description. I've got for you my link so you can check out the video if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing. Now, the second way that you can make an additional income stream as a network marketer is if you're already building online, you're probably pretty social media savvy. So why not look into becoming a virtual assistant and helping other online entrepreneurs with their business? So, if you're anything like me, you build over on Canva, you understand the algorithm of Facebook and Instagram and how to post in your stories. Why not make money helping other entrepreneurs that aren't as savvy as you might be in the online space? That's an amazing opportunity and a great source of revenue for network marketers, for online entrepreneurs. And then the third way that you can definitely make a substantial income is through creating online courses. Now, I've gone through the whole online course creation. I've actually got multiple courses, and it brings in several income streams for me because of my online courses. So between having my affiliate offer, between doing my coaching, between doing my courses, I've been able, and my network marketing business, I've been able to bring in 4 steady streams of income every single month. And so I'm not putting all of my eggs in one basket, so to speak, but they all very much tie into each other, and they're very much aligned with who I am and who my brand is. And now a lot of them are on autopilot, like my courses, right? So between my coaching and my courses, my network marketing, and my affiliate marketing, I've been able to retire as a school counselor and as a therapist because of my online business. And so if you're looking for additional income streams on top of your network marketing business, these are great places for you to start looking into things. Now, if you want to become a virtual assistant, it's not something I've ever done, but I have hired a ton of virtual assistants. And what I will say is you can find them up on Fiverr, you can find them up on Upwork. So those are the 2 websites that I usually use to hire my assistants to help me with my business. And so there's no reason that you can't go up there and set up shop and earn, an extra income being a virtual assistant. So if you're wanting to take a look at the affiliate offer that I have that could go really well with network marketers, make sure you click the description in the comments below. I've got a link for you to check out a video to see if it's a good option for you, but it's been a great additional income stream for me. And hey, this is Julie Reynolds with another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out.